This drone was designed from scratch, and it actually flies. This drone project was developed for the OSHWLab Star 2026 Challenge, sponsored by EasyEDA with the PCB and frame professionally manufactured by JLC. From CAD design to custom electronics to real-world testing. I started by designing the frame in Autodesk Fusion 360, focusing on strength, balance, and weight distribution. Every part of the structure was carefully modeled to ensure stability during operation. I also designed a 555 timer-based PCB in EasyEDA Pro, carefully routing each connection to maintain clean signals and reliable performance. After completing the design, the PCBs were fabricated and delivered. Seeing the physical boards for the first time was a major step, turning a digital idea into real hardware. I then tested the 555 timer circuit to confirm that it was working as expected. With the electronics validated, I moved on to assembling the full system. The frame, motors, and components all came together into a complete build. Motor testing showed smooth response and stable control using the RC transmitter. After multiple tests and adjustments, everything was ready. And finally, stable takeoff. This project demonstrates how design, electronics, and testing come together in real engineering. And this is just the beginning.